Boy, now you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you set me on.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to your channel. Welcome to our channel. My name is Credo Gray and welcome to the People's Channel. So if you are new and you find this channel very interesting, please I beg of you, click the subscription button below, like, share, comment, just make a conversation, man. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and YouTube recommendations. And to my VIP, my returning soldiers, my number ones, thank you guys for being here, for always being here with me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. Today's video is about an unboxing. So I've ordered something from Morgan, and yeah, I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So yeah, let's get down to business.
But she's from Nicaragua, thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel it, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I